Hai guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Buat kamu yang baru menemukan channel Mam Abil, jangan lupa untuk tekan tombol like, subscribe, dan komen. Buat kamu yang sudah mengklik video ini, thank you ya guys. Semoga kalian sehat selalu. Jadi di video kali ini Mam Abil mau mereview ini yang lagi viral banget dan lagi rame banget di kota Palembang. Ini ada di roti kukus ya guys ya. Ini Mama Abil sedang berada di roti kukus Thailand. Dan ini antriannya panjang banget ya guys. Jadi pastikan kalian tonton videonya sampai selesai ya guys ya. Langsung aja guys kita tonton videonya. Selamat menonton.
A few moments later.
Hai guys, jadi kita sekarang sudah pas banget nih berada di depan roti kukus Thailand yang sangat viral banget di kota Palembang. Ini kita baru sampai tapi antriannya udah panjang banget ya. Jadi di sini sistemnya kita begitu datang kita ambil nomor antrian. Jadi ini kita ambil dulu ya guys nomor antriannya supaya kita kebagian. Ini sebenarnya Mam Abil gak tahu ya ini kalau ada roti kukus viral, tapi Mam Abil lihat di sosmed ya, di Instagram, di TikTok ini banyak banget yang mereview sebagian ya. Konten kreator yang di Palembang ini mereview, jadi Mam Abil tahu ya guys, langsung malam ini kita gaskan ya guys ya. Dan kita akan mencoba ya seberapa enak roti kukus khas Thailand ini guys. Dan ini kita udah dapet nomor antrian, jadi kita tunggu dulu di sini. Di sini Abil ini lagi joget-joget ya guys, karena di sini ada musik. Nah ini bisa dilihat ya, ini banyak banget yang ngantri. Ini kita masih menunggu antrian ya guys. Mam Abil dapat nomor 156, bayangin guys. Ini masih nomor 140 sekian guys. Kita tunggu dulu ya, mohon bersabar demi roti kukus Thailand ini. Tuh lihat, yang datang ini gak habis-habis, banyak banget ya guys. Dan ini bukanya ya guys, untuk kamu yang kesini silahkan datang jam 3 ya, jam 3 kalau untuk hari weekday ya guys. Kalau weekend ini jam 8 mereka udah buka guys, tutupnya sampai jam 12 malam. Dan satu lagi ya guys, yang paling penting banget ini alamat ya, buat kamu yang mau ke roti kukus khas Thailand ini ada di depan OTW Stick di kota Palembang. Dan pas banget ada juga Indomaret, jadi patokannya di OTW Stick dan Indomaret. Pas banget di depannya itulah roti kukus yang sangat viral di Palembang ini ya guys. Untuk harga ini macam-macam ya guys, sesuai varian rasa. Ini mulai dari harga 3 ribuan sampai dengan harga 7 ribuan ya guys ya. Untuk yang coklat itu harganya 7 ribu dan abon jagung itu 7 ribu. Dan masih banyak lagi ya guys ya varian dan harganya, silahkan dipilih sesuai seleranya ya guys ya. Dan ini masih anget-angetnya nih guys tuh. Buat kamu yang sudah menonton video Mam Abil sampai detik ini, thank you ya guys. Jangan lupa dong tekan tombol subscribe, like, share, dan komen ya, supaya Mam Abil lebih semangat lagi membuat konten-konten untuk selanjutnya. Oke guys, thank you ya.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough.
It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I
demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Oke guys, mungkin untuk video kali ini sampai di sini dulu ya. Terima kasih banyak buat teman-teman yang sudah menonton video ini. Dan kalau kamu suka dengan video Mama Abil, jangan lupa untuk tekan tombol like, subscribe, dan komen ya guys. Thank you for watching my video. See you next video guys. Bye bye. Untuk rotinya ini lembut dan enak ya guys ya. Ini Abil mau cobain yang varian coklat ya guys. Ini Abil lagi cemong. Ini dia makan sate campur makan roti nih guys. Dan yang satunya ada varian jagung dan abon ya. Rotinya ini roti tawar ya guys ya. Tapi roti tawarnya ini super lembut banget nih, dan coklatnya tuh coklat varian yang crunchy, jadi perpaduan lembut dan coklat crunchy itu sangat cocok banget ya guys ya. Oke guys, thank you, bye bye. Abil mau makan dulu guys.